Searching for the ideal cordless vacuum for pet hair on hardwood floors? You've landed in the perfect spot. We've handpicked a lineup that reflects not only our personal favorites, but also key factors like functionality, affordability, build quality, brand trust, and genuine user reviews. Whether you're just starting out, a seasoned pro, or somewhere in the middle, there's something here tailored for you.
Want to know more about prices or any information? Be sure to check the description below. And trust us, the final pick might just blow your mind. Before we start, subscribe now, join our awesome YouTube family.
Coming in at first position, the ultimate standout. Cordless vacuum cleaner, upgraded 55 kPa 650W 70 min stick vacuum with hurricane mode, self-standing, touchscreen, 1.8 L dust cup, anti-tangle wireless vacuum cleaners for home pet hair carpets. Powered by a market-leading 650W motor, this cordless vacuum delivers powerful suction of up to 55 kPa, ensuring deep and efficient cleaning across every surface in your home. With 3 adjustable power modes, it easily tackles everyday dust, larger debris, and stubborn pet hair. For tougher cleaning tasks, the innovative pull ring design activates an advanced 4th hurricane mode, boosting suction to 60 kPa for removing deeply embedded dirt and persistent pet hair with ease. Equipped with an 8x 2800 mAh battery pack, it offers up to 70 minutes of continuous runtime, perfect for cleaning large spaces, staircases, and multiple rooms on a single charge. The wall-mounted charging dock provides convenient storage, while automatically recharging the vacuum and its attachments, keeping everything organized and ready to use. The advanced V-shaped anti-tangle brush, combined with integrated comb teeth, actively prevents hair wrap, making it ideal for pet owners. Grooved side brushes rotate up to 270 degrees, while 6 bright LED lights reveal hidden dust under furniture, ensuring no dirt is left behind in corners under beds or around sofas and table legs. A high-definition LED display with intuitive touchscreen controls allows easy suction adjustment, real-time battery monitoring, and maintenance alerts, making operations simple for users of all ages. The freestanding design adds true hands-free convenience, letting the vacuum stand securely on its own, while the adjustable telescopic tube ensures comfortable use for people of different heights. Finally, the advanced 8-layer filtration system, with multi-vortex cyclonic separation, captures up to 99.99% of dust particles, improving indoor air quality. The large 1.8 L dustbin and one-touch emptying system provide a hygienic and low-maintenance cleaning experience. Next up, making waves at second, turning heads for sure. Cordless vacuum cleaner, upgraded 650W 55 kPa 70 mins cordless stick vacuum cleaner with self-standing and touchscreen, anti-tangle wireless vacuum cleaners for home pet hair carpets floors. The cordless vacuum cleaner is powered by a high-performance 650-watt brushless motor, delivering an extraordinary suction strength of up to 55,000 pascals, enabling it to efficiently capture fine dust, crumbs, pet hair, and larger debris across carpets, hardwood floors, and tiled surfaces with consistent deep cleaning performance that effectively resolves everyday household cleaning challenges. With a maximum runtime of up to 70 minutes, supported by an 8x 2800 mAh rechargeable battery pack, the X100 stick vacuum provides uninterrupted whole house cleaning capability, allowing users to clean multiple rooms including living rooms, bedrooms, study areas, and kitchens in a single continuous session, without the inconvenience of frequent recharging, ensuring a smooth and complete cleaning experience from start to finish. The advanced V-shaped anti-winding brush features a spiral structure combined with a guide comb designed to create a dual-action cutting and dredging anti-entanglement system that efficiently prevents hair wrapping, making it highly effective for picking up stubborn hair clumps embedded in carpets as well as fine strands trapped in floor crevices, quickly directing all debris into the dust cup for hassle-free maintenance. Its self-standing design provides true convenience by allowing the vacuum cleaner to remain upright without external support, enabling users to pause cleaning at any moment for phone calls, rearranging spaces, or moving between rooms without the risk of tipping, falling, or dust leakage, thereby enhancing both safety and usability. The integrated smart touchscreen located at the top of the device offers intuitive control through a high-definition light-emitting diode display, allowing users to adjust suction power with a simple touch while simultaneously monitoring battery status, dust cup fullness, and filter maintenance alerts in real time for a more intelligent and user-friendly cleaning experience. Additionally, users are advised to always utilize the original adapter supplied with the X100 vacuum cleaner for charging, and once the battery reaches full capacity, the charging cable should be disconnected before operating the device to ensure optimal performance and safety. Securing the spotlight at number 3, impossible to ignore. Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA filter. Lightweight, portable, rechargeable, powerful pet hair pickup. Removable handheld, crevice tool, dusting brush. 50 min runtime, Blue, IZ363HT. Experience next-level cleaning performance with hypervelocity accelerated suction technology that delivers powerful and consistent results in an ultra-lightweight cordless vacuum designed for maximum efficiency and everyday convenience. With up to 50 minutes of runtime powered by a removable battery, this vacuum ensures uninterrupted cleaning in standard mode using the handheld configuration, making it perfect for maintaining your entire home without constant recharging. The advanced PowerFin's brush roll maintains continuous contact with both hard floors and carpets, penetrating deep into fibers to lift embedded dirt while ensuring thorough cleaning across all surfaces. Engineered with a no-hair wrap self-cleaning brush roll system, it effortlessly captures pet hair without tangling, reducing maintenance and maintaining peak performance. The high-efficiency filtration system with complete seal technology and high-efficiency particulate air filtration captures dust, allergens, dander, and microscopic particles, preventing them from re-entering the air and promoting a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. Its low-profile design allows smooth access under furniture and into tight spaces, ensuring no hidden dust is left behind. The removable hand vacuum instantly converts the unit into a portable cleaning tool, ideal for stairs, upholstery, and above-floor surfaces. An extra-large dust cup with a clean-touch dirt ejector enables hygienic, mess-free disposal without direct contact with debris. Built-in light-emitting diode headlights reveal hidden dust and pet hair in dark areas. While included tools such as the crevice tool and dusting brush provide versatile cleaning solutions for every corner of your home, delivering powerful, precise, and effortless results every time.
Still watching? That's Destiny teasing the like button.
Showing strength early on at 4th, holding its ground with pride. Unanel Home Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 50,000 par 580 W70 mins, vacuum cleaners for home, anti-tangle stick vacuum self-standing, handheld vacuum rechargeable for pet hair carpet floor, LED display. The Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers a premium cleaning experience, powered by a 580-watt brushless motor, engineered for zero power loss compared to traditional brush systems, while significantly reducing noise levels to approximately 45 decibels for quieter operation in any home environment. With an exceptional maximum suction power of up to 50 kilopascals in turbo mode, it effortlessly removes embedded debris from floor gaps, stubborn dust, and deeply trapped pet hair from carpets, ensuring a consistently deep and thorough clean across all surfaces. Equipped with an 8-cell high-capacity battery system, it provides up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted runtime in bare floor mode, making it suitable for large homes up to 3,000 square feet on a single charge. And with an optional spare battery, runtime can be extended up to 140 minutes for even greater flexibility. The advanced anti-tangle V-roller brush design features an increased diameter structure combined with precision combing technology, reducing hair wrap by up to 95% and limiting tangling to just 3%, making it ideal for households with pets, while additional rubber strips enhance carpet agitation to extract deeply embedded dirt and hair. Integrated light-emitting diode green spotlights on the floorhead illuminate hidden dust for improved visibility, ensuring no debris is left behind. The self-standing multifunctional design allows the vacuum to remain upright on flat surfaces, offering convenience during interruptions, while the telescopic pole and 4 interchangeable brush heads provide versatile cleaning for ceilings, sofa crevices, windowsills, keyboards, and car interiors. High-definition light-emitting diode touchscreen display allows effortless mode switching, real-time battery monitoring, and maintenance alerts for intelligent and user-friendly control. The 7-stage filtration system efficiently captures dust, pollen, and bacteria, releasing cleaner air to protect household health. Additionally, a 3-second siphon function ensures residual debris is fully collected after shutdown, enhancing overall cleaning efficiency and performance reliability. And finally, closing out the list at 5, the unexpected gem. Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. Illumination reveals dust, 240 or 3 power modes, up to 60 minutes 2 deep cleans hard floors and carpets, detangles pet hair, converts to handheld. Advanced whole machine filtration technology captures up to 99.99% of particles, as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring that cleaner air is expelled back into your home environment for improved hygiene and comfort. Engineered for exceptional versatility, This advanced cleaning system includes 2 high-performance cleaner heads and 4 specialized attachments designed to clean every area of your home, from high surfaces to low corners and everything in between, complemented by a convenient wall dock and charging system for organized storage and effortless recharging. The fluffy optic cleaner head is designed to reveal invisible dust on hard floors using precision illumination, while remaining gentle on delicate surfaces, yet highly effective against fine debris, whereas the digital motorbar cleaner head delivers deep cleaning performance across all floor types and intelligently detangles long hair and pet hair as you clean for uninterrupted efficiency. A precision-engineered power trigger enhances energy efficiency by ensuring that power is used only when required, maximizing runtime and optimizing performance throughout every cleaning session. Built from strong yet lightweight materials selected for durability and ease of use, this vacuum is supported by a 2-year limited warranty along with lifetime support services, and users can register their device through the My Dyson application for personalized guides, maintenance assistance, and ongoing product support. Delivering up to 100% more power, its advanced motor spins at speeds of up to 125,000 revolutions per minute, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime in standard mode and up to 5 minutes in boost mode for intensive cleaning tasks. The hair screw tool efficiently removes long hair and pet hair using an anti-tangle conical brush bar designed for rapid extraction from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and other challenging areas. Intelligent sensing technology automatically adapts suction power based on detected debris and floor type, while the liquid crystal display screen provides real-time information including total particles captured, power mode selection, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime displayed down to the second. With 3 optimized cleaning modes including Auto mode for balanced everyday cleaning, Eco mode for extended runtime, and Boost mode for intensive spot cleaning, this advanced vacuum system delivers precision performance, efficiency, and powerful cleaning results in every use.
Thanks for watching this exciting gadget review. Like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more updates. Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious and see you next time.